Erectile dysfunction is such a common disorder in men over the age of 40. There are so many treatment options for erectile dysfunction, but amazingly, most men have only heard about the oral pills. And then even at that, there's misunderstandings regarding the truth of the oral pills. And so these oral agents are very safe, but they are prescription, because if you're taking a medicine for your heart and you take a Viagra, and this particular type of heart medicine mixes with the Viagra, that's very dangerous. And the heart medicine can come under many different names. But to every physician or nurse practitioner who prescribes it, it'd be obvious whether or not there was a conflict. So these agents have been around for more than 20 years. These oral medications are very safe. They've been used on over 40 million American men, in addition to men around the world. And they are effective. Studies suggest that they are effective in 7 out of 10 men who take these products correctly. So I always tell men in my practice that there's 3 medicines that are very similar and 1 that's different. Viagra, Levitra, Stendra. They are absorbed in your body in around 40 to 60 minutes after they're taken by mouth. They are absorbed more completely and are therefore more effective if taken on an empty stomach. So there should be an hour-and-a-half window before and after you take the pill, so that pill doesn't bind with any alcohol or fat in your meal, and those things would prevent the pill from being fully absorbed into your system. And they also only work if you get adequate stimulation, arousal. Without arousal, men can't expect to get an erection. So these medicines work very naturally. If you have a medicine on board and you get aroused, you can hopefully get a good erection. And they differ from another agent called Cialis. Cialis doesn't matter if you take it associated with food, but it can take 2.5 to 3 hours to fully get into your system. But its half-life is almost 18 hours. So that medicine is easily within your system for 24 hours. You know, the company suggested it lasts up to 36 hours, but honestly, I tell people that if you've taken Cialis, it should be effective if it's working for you for at least a day. So therefore, the timing is a little simpler with Cialis than the other products. So if you take the medicine, you have to get some stimulation for it to work. These medicines don't just all of a sudden cause you to get an erection that embarrasses you in normal situations. But that's just one of the treatments.